Hello friends, welcome to another video from programming tutorial channel. In this video I want to solve the question number 5.11. The question is given that find the smallest of a few given integer. So we have solved this question in chapter 2, but on that time we used a very basic programming skills. Now we are using the new skills using for loop. We will solve this question using for loops. So let's start it. Now first of all we need some integer variables, and smallest equal to 0 comma number equal to 0 comma integer. So the smallest number, this number will be used for comparing. This is for getting input, and this is also for getting input. So which input we are gonna get, this integer will show how much of numbers we want to compare to get the smallest of them. So now let's call the schemer class. System.in. Now let's use the integer variable integer. Now integer equals to input dot next, and now we will get this value from the user, and we have a for loop here. For loop int counter is equal to 0, counter is less than or equal to integer, and counter plus plus. So this is the our for loop, and we will get the smallest of the numbers from here if counter is equal to 1, then smallest will be equal to number, and else if number is less than smallest, then smallest will be equal to the number. Smallest is equal to number. Now we will get the output. Smallest number is equal to plus smallest. Now we did the program. I think we should put here 1. So now let's save the program and run it. Here we need some another output as well. Here we have to take the number as input. Enter numbers. now let's run the program. And for example, I want to compare 5 numbers, so I enter 5 here, and let's enter the 5 number: 3 9 5 1 8. The smallest number is equal to 1 between these 5 numbers: 3 9 5 1 8. The smallest number is 1, so we did it. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel to get my next videos.